Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to level up your presentations with eye-catching Canva animations? Click Create at the top of the screen, then select Videos from the options. Next, choose Landscape Video. After that, look through the available templates or projects to find the one you want to use. Click on Elements, then type Background into the search bar to quickly find and select background options. To fill the background, select your desired color, then choose the Fill option to apply it evenly across the entire background area. Now, you can use this visual background as your backdrop to enhance presentations or highlight information in your project easily. Your page should now look just like this. Next, we'll add an element to our scene, such as a fish. Locate the Elements panel on the left side and select the option to browse available elements. Find the fish element from the list, then click on it to add it to your canvas. You can drag to move the fish, resize it, or rotate it as needed to fit your design. Add this element to your project. Once it's in place, select it by clicking on it. Next, navigate to the animation options on the right-hand panel. Click on the Animate button to open the animation settings. Choose the Click Animation from the available options. Adjust any settings as needed to customize how the animation looks. Preview your animation to make sure everything appears smooth and functions as expected. Next, click on the item you want to open. Make sure you have the correct file or folder selected before you proceed. Clicking on it will either open the document directly or reveal further options, depending on your software. This step is necessary for accessing or editing the content you've chosen. Go ahead and click on the item now. Click the expand icon to view more options. Next, add a text element to your design. Click the text tool in the toolbar, then select Add Text. A new text box will appear on your canvas. Type in deletus.stvt. Next, add a text element to your design. Click the deletus.st as your text. Type your text. You can use the handles to move or resize the text box as needed. This step allows you to label or identify your design. Make sure your text is clearly visible and placed appropriately. Add your text here, then select it to change the color. Electrodes and effects have similar properties within the software. To view or edit these, select either the Electrodes or Effects tab from the main menu. You can add new items by clicking the plus icon. Change their settings by selecting the item and adjusting options in the Properties panel. Remember, both Electrodes and Effects use the same control structure, making it easy to switch between them as you configure your project for the optimal setup. Right-click on the audio file to open the context menu. From the list of options, select Play to begin playback. This allows you to review the file and ensure the audio sounds correct. Listening to the playback at this stage is important, as it helps you confirm the quality and clarity of your recording before proceeding to the next steps in your project. Select the desired item from this menu to proceed. Click on the drop-down arrow, then review the available options. Once you find the correct choice, click on it to select. This action will update your selection and automatically apply the changes, allowing you to continue with the next steps in the process. Select the object you want to animate, then go to the Animations tab and click Animation Pane. To remove an existing animation, select the animation in the pane and click Remove. To add a new animation, make sure the object is selected, click Add Animation, and choose your preferred animation effect from the drop-down menu. Next, let's display this video in the sequence. Locate the section where you want the video to appear, then import your video file by clicking the Import button. Choose your video from your files and confirm the upload. Once the video is imported, drag it onto the timeline at the desired position. Adjust the video placement if needed to ensure it follows the order you want. Now, your video is ready to be shown at this point. After you have finished your work, click the Share button located at the top right of the screen. This will open the sharing options for your project. From the available choices, select the Download option to continue. In the Download menu, choose the MP4 video format to ensure the file is saved as a video. Once you have selected MP4, confirm your choice and click the Download button. Your video will begin downloading, and you can find it in your device's Downloads folder when complete. You've learned how to animate presentations in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.